Alright guys, we are back here with another video, and today we're going to talk about SBET, the most exciting Ethereum treasury company. Guys, I think it's even more exciting than BMNR. Obviously guys, that company did drop from 120 and change, guys, all the way down to $50 today. So this company, SBET, just like BMNR, is extremely risky, and definitely take that into account. You will probably lose all your money. But without further ado, let's talk about this company, guys. Of all the Ethereum treasury companies, which BMNR is as well, this has the highest amount of holdings. They currently own 205,000 shares of Ethereum, guys, which is about 2.37 Ethereum per one share of this company. So because dilution is pretty low for them, although they've already done 3 offerings, guys. So expect dilution, just like in MSTR's case, to go up over time, guys. And really the profit motive, the real way they're going to be making money, guys, is they do 100% staking of that Ethereum. So that's how they make that money. And unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is a proof of stake situation, guys. So the more stake you have, the more security you have over that network, the more say you have over that network. It's like having a seat at a board of directors, right? It's almost like having that, or basically being a shareholder. So you want to have as much stake in Ethereum as possible for security, for staking purposes, for say over what Ethereum does in the future. And that's why SBET, being the most amount of Ethereum for any treasury company, Ethereum treasury that's public, even more than BMNR, that's what makes it really exciting. But it's not just that, guys. Martin Shkreli back in May said this company is very exciting. It has a 500 to 1,000% boom possibility, guys. The company did boom all the way to $80 before coming all the way down. So keep that in mind, guys. If it does boom, you may have to act quickly, because it did come all the way back down to, it was like $5-10, although now it's at $16-17 at the time of recording. So keep that stuff in mind, guys. SBET stands for Sharp Gaming, and that's because they used to have a whole gaming business, which part of it was sold off, guys. They still operate something called Paz.net, which is a mature iGaming affiliate network with recurring revenue from big contracts like Unibet, 888, Party Poker, and they're licensed in 15 states. It only makes about $3 million in revenue. Not much to be excited about there, but it's good to know they're a core business and what it does. But that's really a really small part of it at this point. But guys, because of a pipe deal, the float is extremely tiny, right? That pipe deal is what got them some of that initial funding for Ethereum. The float's only about 2 million shares, tradable shares right now. So you're gonna definitely see more continuous explosive growth here. So that's something to keep in mind, guys. So besides that, probably the most exciting reason I really think this company, of all the Ethereum miners or Ethereum treasury companies, has a chance to succeed is who is the chairman of the company right now. So currently the chairman is it's the only co-founder of Ethereum. So if you think Tom Lee being the chairman is exciting, this company has one of the co-founders of Ethereum itself. Who is more qualified to be staking Ethereum than the one and only Joseph Lubin, guys? Which he is the co-founder of Ethereum. He also founded Consensus, which is a very big company for Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. He helps kind of make crypto services, profitable, and makes them into enterprises and stuff like that. So yeah, so all of those things are very, very good to know, and they are very, very exciting as well. All things that you guys should know about. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is a pretty cheap stock comparatively to BMNR. They've had a couple raises so far. So they've had, I'll tell you the numbers right here. I actually have the numbers here. First Ethereum buy was in June of 2025. So really, you guys, you're buying a pretty new company into the space. 176,000 shares, and that was all used from the proceeds of 425 million private placement, which is the pipe. Then they bought 21,674 Ethereum in late June, which got their holdings to 197,000, and that was thanks to an ATM at the market equity offering. And then there was one in July at 7,689 Ethereum, and that's around 19.2 million. And that also was a part of an ongoing ATM. So right now, that's how you get to the 205,000 Ethereum, worth about 533 million. And with that 5% stake, guys, as they continue to increase over time, you're definitely going to see more and more revenue over time. So it's all very, very good stuff, guys. So yeah, guys, I mean, I do think this company has a lot of potential in the future. I do like it. Yes, the risk is absurdly high, and don't take this as any financial advice, but I do think there is room for this to grow. There is no reason why a company where Martin Shkreli, who likes to short companies, thinks this can get 1,000% return in a short period of time, with one of the co-founders of Ethereum being in the board, having the highest stake of any Ethereum treasury company in the public markets at 205,000 Ethereum. There is no reason why this company, which has a smaller float than BMNR, can get over $100. There's no reason they can't do it. There's honestly, I mean, this market is insane. There's no reason, and that's my opinion on the matter, and that's what I think. Overall, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, favorite, put on the notification bell. Please turn off the Adblock too. Make sure you guys check out my website, pbosonline.com, for written reviews without any ads on them. Like no video ads on my videos there. I have written reviews on a lot of products. I have written news articles on these cool topics. And make sure you check out my website. I also have the PBOS merch too. And check out my Robinhood link if you want to support me, or my Amazon affiliate links. All that stuff really supports me. But that's my opinion on the matter, guys. Let me know down below what you think. Thank you and bye.